Okay guys, good morning. So today I'm going to do a bunch of returns because I bought in a few things that I ended up either not needing, or I ended up buying things that just match this space better. So I'm going to do that today, and then I'm also going to put this lamp together that's finally dry from when I spray painted it, and then hopefully find a place for all of these decorations. The only reason I haven't really put them up yet is because I'm waiting on my furniture and my rug to get here, and I just want to make sure everything's in the right spot before I put up the decorations on the walls because I don't want to make so many holes. But yeah, okay, so that's the plan. I'm gonna eat my breakfast now. I just got 2 packages. I'm about to run out the door, but I just got 2 packages from Amazon, and I'm not sure what's in them. I have an idea. This first package is, yay, a book. So I ordered this book. It's called A Journal of Cosmic Memories. I'll read you the little back here about like what it's about. It says, a journal from a prior lifetime reveals mystical secrets and how events materialized, raising as many questions as answers. Your dreams are where the information and memories are stored. The difference between what happened and what you dreamed simply depends upon the perspective of the dreamer. Join an intrepid journal writer and mysterious holder of cosmic knowledge whose journal entries trigger metaphysical states of consciousness and visions, dreams, and memories. Wisdom gained over lifetimes guides a captivating journey through past lives and reincarnation. In the dimension of trees, a beautiful place of soul discovery and quantum absurdity, secret cosmic teachings brings rewards of ancient spiritual knowledge, recalling the journal's original purpose and author. Will you sail the currents of existential awareness on a trip to experience the Journal of Cosmic Memories, a destination beyond the doors of perception? So yeah, I don't remember what I Googled or like what I was looking for on Amazon, but it wasn't this book, but I found it and it sounded really cool, so I wanted to get it and read it. I think I Googled the Akashic Records, I think that's how you pronounce them, and I wanted to get a book on that, but then this popped up, so I just figured this would be perfect. And I recently just did a road trip and I went through the redwoods in California, and I was talking to the person I was with and explaining how I always get this weird feeling with trees, just like bad vibes. I don't really know how to explain it and I don't know why. The fact that a book popped up called The Dimension of Trees when I wasn't even looking for it, like I feel like this is speaking to me and I needed to get it and read it. And then I got, pretty sure this is spirulina. Yep, because I left the other one I had in Washington. I had the exact same brand, but yeah, I needed some because I put this in my smoothies. Like every day I have a smoothie. And then this, I don't know what it is. It's a hairbrush, yay. So I got the wet brush. I've had the wet brush before, but not the Pro. I like it, it works pretty good. So yeah, now I have the Pro, which I don't know if it's any different or better, but we will see. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go, actually I'm gonna make a coffee first because I'm super tired, and then I'm gonna go do all my returns and maybe some purchases, hopefully nothing crazy, but we'll see. I'm gonna make some coffee really fast. I think I'm gonna make an iced coffee. I think I have to make it in this because I'm taking it on the go. Latte, so 4 ounce, some ice. Oat milk. Okay, so I made it in this because I feel like when the coffee that's hot first touches like a stainless steel mug or something, it tastes weird to me. So I made it in my cup first. Already put the milk and creamer in there. I'm gonna go return all this stuff. I ended up finding rugs on Amazon that have black in them and they're really freaking cute. And it's like what I would want, so I don't know why I went for these. So I'm gonna go return these and some other stuff in there. Okay guys, it's already 6:30 and I just got back from doing all my returns and stuff. And when I was at Home Depot, I'm so freaking excited. I picked up a Hoya. Look at the little baby. These are like my favorite hanging plants ever. Honestly, one of my favorite plants ever. I'm just so happy they had it. I got this little thing to plant her in, and then I have like a hanging thing to hang it in. And then I literally got nothing exciting today. I got like a pillow and some curtain rods to hang up my curtains tonight, and then some liners for the shelves in the kitchen. Pretty sure that's all I got. Oh, and then I just got my favorite hand soap from Target. I love this stuff. This stuff smells so good. So I picked up that. And then I went to Fry's, which is a grocery store here, and I just got, these are the best vegan, I don't think they're gluten-free, they're not, but the best vegan cookies that you can just like get at the store ever. I love them. I got some rice for dinner tonight. Got some avocados. Got some zucchini for dinner tonight. And I got some coconut aminos for dinner tonight. Yeah, so I'm gonna cook, and then I'm going to, actually I'm gonna have some wine. Usually I don't drink like this, like a daily thing, but yesterday and today I just feel like I really need it. Plus this bottle, like that's all I drink. After I make dinner and eat, I'm going to put up the curtain rods. I'm going to, there were some other things I wanted to do. Oh, put up a light that I have, a really cool little light fixture. And then I think that's it. I think that's all on my plans today. If you don't aerate your wine, what are you doing? I messed up. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm not that drunk. I did it. It's a little janky over there, but I think it'll be cute when I have my bed and my nightstands, even though I only bought one so far. Okay, I think that's it for today. I don't think I want to do any more. I was gonna do 2 other things, but I'm checked out. Officially checked out. But I'm not sure if that plant is going to survive because when I was taking it out of that weird pot thing they had it planted in, I wasn't able to cut it. So I had to rip, like I didn't really realize I was doing it, but I had to rip the roots of the plant. So I don't know if that's okay and if it will grow back its roots or if it's just gonna die on me in a couple days. But I love her, she's so pretty. I just love these plants so much. So I hope it doesn't die on me. I'm gonna clean up this little mess right here and then I'm gonna have some breakfast and then I'm just going to work today on getting all of these decorations and stuff up on the walls so that I don't have to worry about that anymore and I can sit on my couch and just relax. And tomorrow is Monday, so I have like a lot of just like calls I have to make and things I have to figure out now that I've moved to Arizona. So yeah, I just want to get all of the apartment organizing out of the way and decorating. Okay, so I'm done with that, and I really like it. It looks really good, I think. I don't know if I maybe put it up too high. I should have did it maybe a little lower. Well, actually, no, I like where it is. The plant still needs a plant stand, so it's gonna like go up a little higher. Now, I just need to figure out where to put these photos of mine, and then I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna obviously clean up in here. This is all smart plugs and smart bulbs and stuff for when I have Wi-Fi, because I don't think they work without Wi-Fi. Oh, it's getting homey in here, guys. Okay, I think I'm gonna make a smoothie because I'm freaking starving, and then I'll do dinner later. It's already 5:30, but it's fine. I can have dinner at like 8 or something.